children, good morning. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about second class EVS. So children, in the previous class we have completed our lesson. So that is about my neighborhood. So all the 6 lessons we have completed. So today we are going to complete our textbook part. So children, all of you open your textbooks. So the page number here we can see children 191. So the page number 191, here we can see the first Roman, tick the correct answer. So my neighborhood lesson children, the textbook part we are going to complete today. So let us start children. So the first Roman, what they have given in our textbook, tick the correct answer. So the first, here they have given us 3 options for us. Small blanks also they have given. We have to give the tick mark. So which is the correct answer, there we have to give the tick mark. So the first question is, a city has many. So what does the city has many? So let us see the options children. The first one is neighborhoods, jungles, rivers. So children, what we have, a city has many neighborhoods. So the first answer is neighborhoods. 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 So here we have the small blank, and in the blank here we have to give a tick mark like this. Neighborhoods. A city has many neighborhoods. So many neighborhoods we have. Jungles we have children. So that is the wrong option. And the rivers, that is also wrong. Now, so here we have completed the first one children, neighborhoods. The second one, that is, we can buy eggs and bread from it. So when we want to buy eggs and bread, so where we have to go? Hospital, bank, markets. So where children, where we have to go? If we want to buy the vegetables, the bread, bread and the eggs. So where we have to go? Shall we go to the hospital? No. Shall we go to the bank? No. So we have to go for a market. So the second one, market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market, and here we have the blank. There we can do the tick mark. So in front of this, here we can do the tick mark. So these you don't need to write children. Here already they have given options for you. So just in front of the tick mark we have to do. That's it. Now the third one, the last one. So only 3 blanks they have given children. An ATM. An ATM is an automatic machine. So it's an automatic machine of a bank, market or hospital. So where we can find the ATMs? Yes, near the banks. That is an automatic machine. So through this machine we can take out our money. So here we don't need the bank also. So without, suppose any emergency, the bank is closed, then also we can take the ATMs. So on Sundays whenever we can go, so we can take out the money. The ATMs will be open. So these are the automatic machines related to the bank. So these are related to the bank, not the hospital or markets. So the third one here we can give children, bank. So here we can do the tick mark. So the first Roman children, here we have completed. So note down carefully children, the first Roman completed. Now let us see the second Roman, the B Roman. Here we have in the textbook children, the page number 191. Who does what? Draw lines to match. So they have given a small matching for us. So let us see the matching children. So children, let us see the matching. So this is the second Roman in our text. So who does what? So what is the person, each work they are doing. So draw lines to match. The first one they have given, that is, I delivers letters and money orders. Who am I? Who delivers the letters and money orders? Who am I? Yes, the person name is. So here we can see a nurse, a shopkeeper, postman, a policeman or a firefighter. So who delivers the letters? Postman. So this we can do the matching to the on the second one. I put out the fire and save the people of lives and save the people lives. I am. Who am I? So I am the person. I will save the people lives. I put out the fire. So who is the person who will put out the fire? Yes. Nurse, shopkeeper, postman is completed, the policeman or the firefighter. Yes, what we have guessed is correct, that is firefighter. He is the person who will put out the fire. So this we can do the matching. And the third person, I am the person who look after the people when they are sick. Who am I? Yes, I used to look after the people, the sick people who are injured, the sick people, I used to look after them. I used to give the treatment to them. Who am I? Yes, he is the most important one, that is doctor and nurse. And here they have given a nurse for us. Doctor is not there, so nurse you can give the treatment. So this is the nurse. So the people who are very sick people, she used to look after those people. Nurse. And the fourth one, children, I sell the different things to you. Who am I? I used to sell the different things for you. Who am I? Now the three options we have completed, children, only two are the remaining. The shopkeeper or policewoman? Yes, the shopkeeper. So not the policeman. So here selling the different things, the shopkeeper. And the last one, yes, I used to keep the neighborhood safe. So I used to catch the thieves and I used to keep the neighborhood very safe. Who am I? So he is policeman. So policeman and policewoman, whoever, same. So this last one we can do the matching here. So very simple, children. This you can do the matching. So here we have completed the two Romans. So children, here the third Roman they have given the question answers. This we can complete the latter. Now the turn page, if you turn the page, that is the page number 192. So here we have the think and answer. So two more questions also they have given here, children. The total 5 we have. So this will complete the later. So let us first we have to complete the textbook part. So the think and answer. So here they have given one small for us. So people who work in fire stations and police stations have one thing, the common thing. So the people who used to work in the fire station and the police station, they have one common thing. So what is that? Circle the correct answer. They have given 3 options for us. Let us see. Uniform, fire engine, police vans. Yes, police vans means only the police people will have. Fire engine means only the fire people, firefighters will have. So the third one, what is the first one they have given, that is the uniform. So this uniform you can do the circle because firefighters also they will wear the uniform and the police people also they used to wear the uniform. So uniform is the common thing they used to wear. So the traffic police uniform, the doctors uniform, firefighters uniform. So here the uniform you can do the circle. So this is the common thing. Okay children. So this we can do the circle. Now let us see a small activity here we have. So there are some people who provide the service for us. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence. So let us see children this activity here. So children, here we have a small activity and they have given a missing letters for us. Rajbir, he is a chemist. The person who used to sell the he used to sell. What he used to sell, that we have to say. So he is a chemist. So what we have with the near to the chemist means the medical shop. So chemist means the medical shop owner. So he used to sell. What he used to sell? Chocolates? No. What he used to sell, children? Yes, the medicines. So here they have given the picture also, medicine picture. So this here you can fill, children. So that is the medicines. 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 So a chemist, what he used to sell? Medicines. Shanti. Here a lady, they have given here, children. Shanti is a greengrocer. She is a greengrocer. So she used to sell. So greengrocer means, yes. So she used to sell here All the different types of vegetables. Yes. So green groceries. All the green groceries means the vegetables, fruits and all. So the vegetables. 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 So green grocery means vegetables. Now Shama. So Shama is a tailor. She is a tailor, children. Shama. She stitches. What does she stitch? Yes, the clothes for us. The new different types of clothes. So here we can write clothes. 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 So she is a tailor. She used to stitch our clothes. Mother. Mother is a plumber. So he mends the broken. So plumber, what is the work of a plumber? What he used to do? He used to fix the taps. So here we can write down, children, taps. 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 So here we have completed this activity here, children. Now the next page here we have a lot of fun. Yes, you have a fun to do. That is the coloring picture. So these are the children. Here we can see the playing in the neighborhood park. So you have to color the picture and we have to talk about the picture. So this picture you can do the coloring, children. And then now comes to the here the last one here the page. Here we have the value. So are you a good neighbor? Do you? So here we can give the yes or no. Two options they have given. Remember to return the things that you have borrowed from a neighbor. So you have to remember. Are you a good neighbor, children? So simply you will bring something from the neighbors and you forgot. So that is very bad. So when you borrow anything from your neighbors, so again we have to give return back. So if you return back only, the next time when you ask, they will give. Otherwise they will say no. Simply the answer they will give no, nothing is there. So they never help you. So that is very bad and we have to return back. So yes. So here we have to say yes. You have to do like that. You have to return back again. Enjoying celebrating the festivals with your neighbors. Do you enjoy, children? Yes. We enjoy with our neighbors. So here also we can give the S mark. Greet the elders in your neighborhood. Yes, this is the most important. So we have the elders also in our neighborhood. So what we have to do? We have to greet our neighbors. So elders also we have to greet. Oh, these are the neighbors, we no need to do like that. Simply you should not. So only the friends and relatives only we have to do. So these are not our family. So like that we should not say. So they are also living, all of them we are living together. So neighbors. So we have to greet our elders. So for every S, give yourself 1 point. Now how much did you score? So all of them yes we are giving means 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So total 3 points you can give. So here we can give the 3. So your score is now 3 points. So you are a very good neighbor, children. Yes, of course you are a very good neighbor. So here we have completed the textbook part of this lesson. So next let us see the question answers, children. So for these, so you can note down all these, children. So complete it after. So here we can close the textbook and you can open your notebooks. Let us see the question answers part, children. So in this lesson we have a 5 question answers. So let us see the question answers.